Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to upload music in Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload music in Terabox app, guys, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened it. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface, you can see there is the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen over here, just above the share button. Tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear. In order to proceed to upload your music, guys, you can see the more button available for us just beside the applications. Tap on more button over here, and you'll land over here under the files section of your device. So in order to proceed, guys, on your phone, at the top of the screen, guys, you can see, guys, currently we are on the images section. Now in order to upload audio or music in Terabox, tap on the audio button over here, and when the audio will be selected, you can see all of your audios available on your phone will be shown to you like this. Now in order to upload a particular music or audio to your phone, simply tap on the music which you want to upload, and that will start to upload on your phone. Guys, to view, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a double arrow icon available for us. Tap on the double arrow icon at the top right corner of the screen, and let's tap on the upload button over here, and you can see, guys, the music which you have just uploaded is available over here. So similarly, in order to do that, you can also tap on the more button over here just beside documents. Tap on more, and you can see the music option. Again, tap on music, and if you have no music, guys, tap on the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. And similarly, guys, let's upload another music. So to do that, let's tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen again, and let's tap on the more button, and let's choose the music from over here again. To do that, let's tap on the audio, and after doing that, let's scroll down, guys, and let's tap an audio which we will be able to upload to our Terabox drive. So to do that, guys, let's choose an audio over here, and again, let's tap on the double arrow icon at the top right corner of the screen, and let's tap on the upload button over here, and you can see, guys, these two audio files were the files which we had uploaded in Terabox. By this way, guys, you will be able to upload audio or music in Terabox. And with that being said, guys, this is how to upload music in Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.